Hey y'all! So, summer is finally coming, and today I'm going to get you and your hair right with a simple hair and scalp routine for when the seasons switch. First up, I'm going to wet my hair and basically be giving my hair a reset and remove all the product buildup that's accumulated over the past couple months with the Kaolin clay mask. This can also be done with the clarifying shampoo. However, using clay masks such as Bentonite and the Kaolin mask are bomb alternatives that will not strip your hair of its natural oil, nor will it leave it feeling dry, stiff, and matted. The clay actually detoxes hair by pulling the toxins, dirt, and product buildup up off of the hair and scalp onto the clay itself, and when you rinse the clay off, you also rinse all that buildup and dirt off with it. The product information for this particular Kaolin mask is going to be listed in my description box below, and this particular one makes my hair easy to finger detangle, and as you can see, it also enhances my natural curl pattern. Also, a great thing about Kaolin is it strengthens hair elasticity and repairs damage, which is great for my hair color. Now, this mask does pull your hair color out, so I honestly wouldn't recommend doing this right after coloring. So I'm going to put a plastic cap over my head and let this sit on for about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the cap and let it start to get hard on my hair. So this is about 45 minutes to an hour later, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. And I strongly suggest rinsing in the shower because it does take a while to rinse all this clay out of your hair. And you need to rinse it all out, and it may take quite a few minutes, so I suggest rinsing it in sections to make sure it's thoroughly out of your hair. So after rinsing it all off, my hair feels soft and really lightweight. But I will say that it does leave a little bit of this feeling of residue on it. But after the next step, the feeling goes away. So don't worry about it. It's normal and it's gonna go away. Next, I grabbed a deep conditioner that leaves my hair feeling so soft that also has protein in it. Because now that I've given my hair a reset, the first thing I want to do is apply a concentrated moisturizer with protein in it to strengthen. So one thing you'll notice is how fast my hair is absorbing this deep conditioner. Like, I'm putting it on and you can't even see the product sitting on top of my hair. And that's how you know I effectively removed the product buildup with the Kaolin mask. This is why removing product buildup is so important when moisturizing hair. Because buildup will stop your hair from absorbing moisture, leaving it perpetually dry no matter what you use and no matter how much product you're putting on it, because that buildup is blocking the moisture from actually penetrating your hair strands. So this is after rinsing out the deep conditioner, and now it's time to take care of my scalp. So I've partnered up with Head & Shoulders for this video, and I'm using their Clinical Solutions Leave-On Dandruff treatment because as the seasons change, we can experience dryness, itchiness, and flakes on our scalp. It's essential to incorporate a scalp treatment in your routine because the first step to healthy hair and fast growth is a healthy scalp, regardless of how you wear your hair or if you're relaxed or natural. This particular treatment is made to go right onto your scalp, and it is a leave-in treatment, so you do not have to rinse it out, and you can use it multiple times a week. The nozzle makes it really easy for you to just squirt a couple drops on your scalp and rub it in, and it's not an oily or thick formula. It just absorbs right onto your scalp, so you don't have to worry about getting any kind of product buildup or issues with it later on if you use it multiple times throughout the week. Now that I've laid a strong foundation for my routine this season with removing the product buildup, deep conditioning, and applying my scalp treatment, I'll be finishing off this video by properly moisturizing my hair using the LCO variation of the LOC method because I am low porosity and that's what works best for me. When it comes to moisturizing natural hair, it's important to know how to layer your products the best way so that your hair can absorb moisture, and that can vary based off your porosity and other texture differences. I actually have a very detailed video on this and how to properly moisturize natural hair, so click the card right above at the top of the screen if you need some more details on that. So what I just applied was my leave-in conditioner, and again I'm going to have all the products listed in the description box. And now I'm going to apply my cream, which is the C in the LCO method for me, and I'm going to be doing a braid out, so this cream is also my styler. Typically in the summer it's humid where I live, so I don't really need to apply some oil, but I am going to apply some today because it's not quite that humid outside yet. So this is the next day after air drying overnight, and I will say whenever I do this clay mask and remove all that buildup, I do notice that my hair dries so much faster. But look at this shine, y'all. Like, my hair feels so smooth, so soft, and very fluffy. Like, my scalp is feeling all refreshed, and I just love this whole routine. Like, I really look forward to doing this every few months to my hair. I recommend this routine for all hair types, regardless of if you have like dry hair or you got a pretty good moisture routine going on. This is just a good routine to just reset your hair when the seasons change, or every 4 months. But if you feel like you need to do this more often, I wouldn't do it more than every other month. Like, you can deep condition, do your scalp treatment and all of that regularly, but I wouldn't do this clay mask more than, I would say, about 6 to 8 weeks apart. Okay, so this is my seasonal routine. Like, I really recommend doing this right when the seasons change, because your hair is going to go through a change trying to get acclimated to the weather. It's also good to go ahead and get a nice trim or cut if you need one around this time, so you just feel like you got brand new hair and you can just acclimate your routine to however the weather is going to be on your hair. So before you guys leave, I want you to head down to the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video and drop a summer hair care tip that you follow. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go.